Okay, so the 25K Pro Eval from LucidTrading.com is the one that I'm speaking about. You got your Pro Eval. If you fail the eval, you want to take it again, you don't have to pay the $94, you just pay $81. The profit target that they want you to get, they're going to give you $25,000. They want you to get $12.50 in profit, meaning turn this 25 into $26,250 without losing $1,000. You can't lose $1,000 of it. Your drawdown is at the end of the day. That means at the end of the day, they find out how much you lose. If you lose more than $1,000, then you're done. Don't worry about the end of the day drawdown. Your DLL is your daily loss limit. There is no daily loss limit unless you set it. Your maximum size of contracts you could do is 20 micros. I'm not even speaking minis because we don't do minis. I do micros. So 20 contracts basically. A micro is a contract basically. Your account activation is free. That means once you pay the $94.50 one time and you pass this evaluation, then this 25K goes to funded and you don't have to pay for the activation. The trader dashboard is in real time. I mean, it's not a video game. This is the real stock market in real time. And can you pass in as little as one day? Yes, you can pass. That's why it's a pro and not a flexible eval. This is the pro, meaning if you're that good, you can run this 25 up to 26,250 in as little as one day. I'm about to try to do this now. I've done it in as little as an hour. You select your platform. I use Tradeovate right here, but you could use any of these other ones. You study those and find out which one works best for you. Wrong button. If you funded, once you pass the evaluation, here's the rules for the funded. You got your $25,000 all over again. Your profit target is $250 a day minimum. Not every day, but every day that you trade and make a profit, they want to see, can you make at least $250? If you make $249, does that day count? No, not towards withdrawal. However, it does count towards your amount. So your profit goes up, but it's not one of those days that you can count as a winning day. That means nothing right now. Don't worry about that because you're going to get way more than $250. The max loss limit is the same. Don't lose $1,000. Your DLL, the daily loss limit, is something you set same as before. There is no loss limit. Your consistency is 40%. That means every time you make some money in the market, can you make around the same amount of money? Basically, don't make over $1,300 in a trade, in one trade. Or in one day particular. But don't worry about that either. You good. The 40% will come. You'll understand how it adjusts. How many days does it take for you to get a payout? You got to do 3 days of $250 per day to achieve a payout. But there's a buffer that you got to reach, and that's what they don't tell you. That's the only catch. You get 25K, but in order to withdraw the minimum, which I think the minimum is $500 or $250, and the maximum is $1,000. But you need a buffer of like $26,200. That way, when you withdraw the 1,000, you'll still have 25,200. Because if you go under 25,000, you failed the thing. So it's best to get a buffer of money, win some, get some, and then start withdrawing. Your account activation again is free. 1 day to pass the eval. That's from the previous one. And payouts to live. So your payouts, you can get up to 5 payouts. After your 5th payout, they're going to take the 25,000 and turn your account to zero. But you can go to negative 1,000 in the account because your max loss limit is $1,000 still. So basically when they say zero balance, but it's a real brokerage account, you know what I'm saying? You can go up to negative 1,000 in that account. But if you go up $1, you can withdraw that $1. That is your actual account once you become live after 5 payouts of a maximum of $1,000 payout. I didn't mean to point up there. I'm just telling you the 1,000. So that's what it is for the 25K. I got the market over here, I got the market over there, and Bullet Bear, there's money everywhere. Rock with me.